Okay, so we had a request for a video about how to install Vectric's gadgets. So we have already made a video about how to use Vectric's box joint gadget, and I know that installing these things, following along can be a little bit different for everybody. So let's just go ahead and install a gadget that I don't currently have. Let's go to Vectric's website right now. And we'll go to the Vectric community and go to gadgets because these are developed by folks in the community. So let's go to the gadget library and we'll just scan through and kind of find something interesting. So we have the Gear Maker would be an excellent one. There's lots of really great options here. I'm going to go ahead and go with the Gear Maker because who doesn't need that? We'll read more and go ahead and download that gadget. So I'll make sure to put it in an accessible place. We'll just save that to the desktop for now. Perfect. So I'll move my video so you can see. I have it downloaded over here, so I will open this. And we're going to be using VCarve Pro 10.5 because I've already updated that. So we'll say OK. And so it brings up this license agreement and I will click agree. And now the gadget is successfully installed. So I'll say okay and go to create a new file. We'll say okay. And let's go check out our gadgets over here and see that Gear Maker has become available. I didn't even have to restart the program. So I can go ahead and use the Gear Maker now and we'll say create gear and put in all the settings you need. And that's how you install a Vectric gadget.